To import brushes into Procreate, you can do one of two things. First, you can tap on the plus button in the brush library to add a new brush. Then tap on Import and select a brush or brush set to import. If you import a set, it will appear at the top of your brush library. Individual brushes you import will be added to a set called Imported at the bottom of the brush library. The second method is to simply tap on a brush or brush set in your storage, email, or online. If Procreate is open, the file will automatically import into the brush library. If you want to move these brushes, tap and hold to drag them into the desired set. You can also rearrange the order of brushes within a set by dragging them around. You can drag to rearrange the brush categories as well.